Hey there, fellow couch potatoes. Are you stuck in a never-ending marathon of Netflix battling against your own gravitational pull to the sofa? Well, it's time to wave goodbye to the lazy era and step into the world of productivity and action. I'm Jadon, and today we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to break free from that sluggish spell and become the unstoppable force you were born to be. We all know that comfy feeling of sinking into the couch, remote in hand, surrounded by snacks. But guess what? Comfort zones are like quicksand for your dreams. The longer you stay, the harder it is to escape. It's time to challenge yourself and step out. Baby steps, people. Nobody becomes a superhero overnight. Start small and like getting up when the alarm rings instead of snoozing till eternity. Celebrities celebrate these tiny victories because each step forward is a step toward leaving that lazy era behind. Setting goals is great, but let's add some spice. Break your bigger goals into bite-sized tasks. It's like turning a daunting marathon into a series of exciting sprints. Plus, the satisfaction of checking those boxes, it's addictively awesome. Who said leaving your lazy era couldn't be fun? Crank up your favorite tunes and dance like nobody's watching. Not only does it burn those extra calories, but it also pumps you up for a mega dose of motivation. Ever consider doing something, but that pesky inner voice said, why bother? Well, it's time to kick Mr. Negative out, embrace the why not attitude, and watch as your possibilities multiply. Imagine receiving a letter from your future self thanking you for stepping out of your comfort zone. How cool would that be? Well, you can make it happen. Connect with your future self and let them guide you to success. Now, before I let you go to embark on your journey of awesomeness, here's a little secret. Sign up to BeforeSunset AI at www.beforesunset.ai. It'll keep your motivation sky high and your lazy days behind you. So there you have it, folks. Your ticket out of the lazy era. Remember, every small step counts and you're way more powerful than you think. Don't wait for the motivation train. Create your own tracks. Smash that like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and I'll catch you on the flip side of laziness. Stay awesome.